All right, guys, good morning. We are heading to Werks Reunion. I'm with my little brother, Jarek.
What's up?
And we're taking the two Cayennes today. Guys, we're taking a quick pit stop, and you just won't believe what kind of cars are out here in Monterey. They're everywhere. Supercars are literally everywhere. Beautiful 3 RS right there. We've been in traffic for way too long, but this is a fun time to go car spotting. Check out this 997 right here. Ooh. Very nice. Alright guys, we're trying to get in right now. This is so crazy. I might have gone down a wrong way, but we're here. Alright, we unfortunately did not get corral. So we're going into the extra parking right here. All right, guys, we made it. Let's set up camp. Cheers, dude. We're literally just behind the Cayenne. We haven't even left yet. Beautiful 996 turbo. Green brakes. Oh, that's cool. I love this. We have the same wing. That's what it looks like when it's down, by the way. Hey, nice NSX. Ooh. Hey, bro, can you give me a rev? right, guys, we just finished grilling. We're gonna head back in. Clean. Guys, for scale, check out how big this thing is. All right, guys, we're just wrapping up at Werks Reunion. That was a blast. Honestly, I have so much fun at Werks, just chatting with everybody, getting to see everybody's builds, what they're up to. It's a great time for enthusiasts. So if you haven't made it out to Werks Reunion, I highly suggest you do. Alrighty, y'all, with that, we're on to our next event. We are going to the Gunther Werks pop-up out in Carmel. Our ETA right now is a little iffy. It's like 4:40. It's supposed to end at 5. I want to see if they're gonna let us in. It's about 16 miles from here, so yeah, it's not looking too hot, and ETA keeps getting pushed back, but we shall see. All right, guys, we made it to Gunther Werks with like 8 minutes to spare, so check out what's just in the parking lot. Just the drive over here was so insane already. Like, there was so many like crazy cars that we saw where 720S's just started to look like normal traffic, and you're like, man, like, it's wild to think about. Just as we're leaving, we see this F40. All right, guys, we're just making it back from Werks Reunion. That was so fun. I spent so much time just in the general parking and in the corral, and it was just so great catching up with owners, talking about their cars, what they're doing to them, and learning more about how much people love these cars. But alrighty, y'all, I am tired. We walked like 5 miles today between Werks Reunion and the Gunther Werks event, and I'm literally exhausted. So I'm gonna go take a quick break. But alrighty, y'all, hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. I think we're gonna do exotics on Broadway. Not that I haven't gotten my fix of exotics just driving around Monterey, but I feel like it's kind of nice to see them all parked in one place. But alrighty, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Till next time, peace.